show you how to do it using a fresh tube. And this tube seems to have a leak. You pump it up, holds air for a few hours, and then 8 hours later it's flat. So I patched up the tube a few times and still leaking. So I'm just gonna put in a whole new tube. And then I'll show you how it's done. Yeah, you're gonna need 3 tools here. You're gonna need the tube, tire levers, and a floor pump. I take the back tire off. Most modern bikes have quick release levers to get the tire off. So you just pull that open, disconnect the brakes, push the derailleur down, and pull it out. And then you got the wheel out. So I'm going to let all the air out of this. It's going to be easier to take the tube out. So get a tire lever, stick one tire lever in, and then get the other tire lever, stick it in as well, and then push through. That one flying, but it's all good. Still got the job done. And then you got one side off, so one side of the tire's on, one side of the tire's off. So now we're just going to pull the tube out. And before you pull the tube out, you gotta unscrew the stem bolt. Got the stem nut off. Now you can pull the tube out. And I'm just going to put in a new one. Alright, so I got the tube here. And let's put the stem in first. The stem is this metal part. Put it through the hole on the rim. So you got that in. Put the tube in. Tube is in. And now I'm going to press the tire in. So using your thumbs, you're going to grab it and then push over. You're going to do that all the way around. Towards the end it gets a little tough, but keep trying, you'll get it on. Finger strength, thumb strength will definitely get stronger. Alright, so we got the tire in, or we got the tube in the tire. The tire is now all the way on. I'm just going to give it a little bit of air, and then I'm going to check the whole tube to see if it's in properly. So I gave it a little bit of air, and now I'm just going to check it over. So by checking it over, I just kind of take the tire and look at it all the way around. Make sure nothing sticking out. And then you would do the other side. Fill it up with the rest of the air. To know how much air it takes, you measure that with PSI. Usually PSI level is always labeled on the tire. So looking for it. So it says right here 29 PSI minimum, 58 PSI maximum. So you want somewhere in between that. We're going to do 40 PSI. And 40. So this is solid tire, fresh tube, very reliable. So yeah, this is all set. Thanks for watching, and get on the bike. It's one of my favorite things to do. Really improves the quality of my day. So if you ever get a bike and you might change a flat tire, now you know. Thanks for watching. See you later.